Have you ever wondered why one diet works amazingly well for one person but completely fails for another? Some people thrive on plant-forward eating, others feel weak without enough protein. Some can tolerate grains just fine, while others experience bloating, fatigue, or inflammation. That's because a healthy diet is not a one-size-fits-all plan. Hello, I'm Dr. Ibukun Adedokun, an integrative and functional nutritionist and certified GIST therapist. I help individuals prevent and recover from chronic disease by restoring balance through personalized gut health solutions. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to design a healthy diet that is not based on trends or restrictions, but based on how the body actually works. By the end of this video, you will understand what a healthy diet means, the foundational components every healthy diet needs, how to personalize your diet for your body and lifestyle, and common mistakes that keep people stuck and confused. Let's get started. Healthy diet. When you think of a healthy diet, what comes to mind? A healthy diet consists of the following: variety, a wide range of foods to ensure the presence of essential nutrients; balance, the right proportions of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, also known as portion size; whole foods, mostly unprocessed or minimally processed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grain, lean proteins, and healthy fats; moderation, limiting added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats; hydration, drinking enough water or freshly pressed juices throughout the day. Now let's define a healthy diet. A healthy diet consists of an eating pattern that promotes overall well-being and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. To help you understand what to include in a healthy diet, I have categorized this section into 5 core foundations that every healthy diet should include. Whole, minimally processed foods. The foundation of a healthy diet starts with real food. Whole foods include vegetables and fruits, whole grains as tolerated, legumes, nuts and seeds, quality animal proteins, healthy fats. One thing to keep in mind is that the more processed a food becomes, the more it loses its natural nutrients, and the more additives, preservatives, and inflammatory compounds it gains. Here is a helpful rule of thumb. If the food looks close to its natural state, your body recognizes it better. Balanced macronutrients. A healthy diet must include the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates provide energy and fuel the brain. Proteins support tissue repair, enzymes, hormones, and immunity. Fats support cell membranes, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Eliminating an entire macronutrient group often leads to fatigue, hormonal imbalance, or metabolic stress. Macronutrients density. Calories alone do not equal nourishment. A healthy diet is nutrient dense, meaning it also provides vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Color is a clue. Different colors in foods often reflect different protective compounds, which is why dietary variety is so important. According to Harvard Health, consuming plant-based diet provides humans with phytonutrients that help safeguard against chronic diseases. Phytonutrients possess significant anti-cancer and anti-cardiovascular disease properties. Digestive support. You have heard the popular saying, "You are what you eat." However, let me rephrase that. You are what you digest and absorb. A healthy diet should support stomach acid production, digestive enzymes, gut lining integrity, healthy gut bacteria. One thing to keep in mind is that even the most nutritious foods won't help if your digestive system is compromised. This is why mindful eating, proper chewing, and gut-friendly foods are essential. Sustainability and lifestyle fit. If a diet is too restrictive, complicated, or stressful, it will not last. A healthy diet should fit your culture, fit your budget, fit your schedule, and fit your stage of life. A healthy lifestyle is built through consistent habits. Now let's talk about personalization because this is where many people struggle. Step 1. Understand your body signals. Your body is always giving feedback. Pay attention to energy levels after meals, digestion and bowel movements, skin health, mood and focus, and your sleep quality. These signals provide valuable insight into whether your diet is supporting you or stressing your system. According to the Center for Nutritional Psychology, comprehending your body's signals, commonly known as interoception, is a fundamental step in creating a balanced, sustainable diet and preserving homeostasis. Studies demonstrate that the body continuously conveys input about hunger, satiety, and nutritional requirements, yet these signals may be suppressed by persistent bad dietary practices. Step 2. Consider your health history. A healthy diet for someone with digestive issues, blood sugar imbalance, hormonal changes, chronic stress, inflammatory conditions will look different from someone without those challenges. Step 3. Restriction and elimination diets. Engaging in a restriction and elimination diet is acceptable. However, it should be short-term, and instead of cutting everything out at once, focus on adding nourishing foods, improve meal balance, and support digestion. Restriction without support often leads to frustration and rebound eating. Research indicates that although these diets can provide symptom relief for specific food allergies or sensitivities, they are associated with issues such as nutrient deficiency, reduced growth in children, and the potential to trigger disordered eating. Let's address a few common pitfalls. Mistake number 1, following trends instead of biology. What is popular is not always what is healthy for your body. Mistake number 2, undereating. Eating too little can slow metabolism, disrupt hormones, and increase stress on the body. Mistake number 3, ignoring gut health. Without a healthy gut, even the perfect diet may fail. Mistake number 4, expecting quick fixes. Health is a process. Healing and balance take time. In conclusion, designing a healthy diet is not about restriction, fear, or perfection. It's about nourishing your body, supporting digestion, creating balance, and building habits you can sustain. In future videos, I will be breaking this topic down even further by covering topics such as macronutrients in detail, gut healing food strategies, juicing and therapeutic nutrition, and how to personalize nutrition for different health needs. If you found this presentation helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And watch the next video where I will dive into nutrition and health. Until then, remember, food is not just fuel, it's information for your body. These are my references. See you in the next video.